In this video, we're going to show you how to install AMD graphics drivers. If you're like me that has a CPU, an AMD Ryzen chip that has internal graphics, you don't need a GPU, but you still do need to install drivers every once in a while. So to do this, all you need to do is click on the Windows or the Start button here on the lower left corner and just type in Device Manager, like so. And the best match is going to be, well, the Device Manager. Just click on it. And this will be showing you all the components of your PC. So audio inputs, cameras, computer, disk drives, display, firmware, human interface, and so on and so forth. What you need to do is click on the display adapters here on the arrow pointing to the right. It's going to be a drop down. It's going to show you AMD Radeon graphics, which is your internal graphics. And what you need to do to update it, to install drivers, is just to right click and then click on update driver like so. And another pop-up will appear asking you, how do you want to search for drivers? The first one is to search automatically for drivers. The second one is browse my computer for drivers. So go with the first one, click on it. And most of the time, it's going to be automatically updated anyway. So it's going to say the best drivers for your device has already been installed. And yeah, it's that simple. That's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.